Presenting their program, Safe and Sound, Lockhart ISD is proud to present the LJHS Legacy Guard.